If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here to announce Htvront Fans Carnival. I like to say it like that because I feel fancy. Carnival. It's their second anniversary sale and it is taking place April 6th through April 12th, and there are awesome deals. For this limited time, you can experience up to 50% off on anything related to the website, on the website from Htvront. I'll have that special link down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. And there are tons of things on the site that you can find. It is not just vinyl. You have your printable vinyl, you have your sublimation, you have machines and tools and things like that. Matter of fact, let me take you over to the website and show you now. All right, this is the Htvront Fans Carnival second anniversary sale. Fans Carnival, whatever your taste may be. This event takes place from April 6th through April 12th. And don't forget to click the link in the description box so you can get the discount via my link. So you will experience up to 50% off on products on the website. I have a video on this heat press machine. This is pretty cool. It's only $35.99. It's a mini heat press, so if you're starting out, this will be a great idea. I mean, there's a lot of things. You can go over to the side here and hit the trending button, and then it'll take you to all things that are trending. You got your HTV vinyl, adhesive vinyl, you have your printable vinyl. So let's check and see what's trending. We have HTV vinyl for sublimation, and then also for heat transfer. And then there's also a ton of machines if you want to check that out. So when you access the website, you'll see magic everywhere down here at the bottom, and it will show you like all of the samples that have been done or have been created using things from Htvront. So that's pretty cool. I think this is a great idea. Be sure to take advantage of the up to 50% off discount for the Fans Carnival, the second anniversary sale for Htvront. Okay. So with that being said, you saw all the things. Okay, if you were interested in getting your heat press, I have a video on heat press, and I use my Htvront heat press automatic all the time. I absolutely love it. 15 by 15 space. You guys have seen many videos of me using that. This is the time to get that deal. If you're like, maybe not, maybe so, use your tax money, girl. I don't get that much back, so I have to ration mines out. But if you do, you one of those, and you looking to expand your crafty career, head over to the website, okay? I can't say it enough. Okay, so let me show you some items that I received, some samples I got from Htvront to share with you guys. So I picked out my items, and I did some different things because I have a ton of vinyl, and I wanted to try something new. So what did I do? I got this Galaxy. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's so cute. And it's textured on the back, because that is the vinyl, the adhesive. But this is, I'm going to cut that into something. I don't know, but I just thought it was super fanciful. And I was like, I've never had this before, so I'm going to try it. And I'll have the link to this down below in the description box. Now, if you got this Galaxy paper, what would you do with it? Now, this is the heat transfer vinyl, and this is a little sample pack, like I said, and you get 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 of these assorted colors. And so these are the colors. And you can cut it out. You can do some designs. I just thought this was super cool to maybe put on top of like a sweatshirt, or have some super cool fanciful words on here. I don't know. Fanciful is a word that I'm going to be using a lot today, because I just saw a little meme and she was like, it's so fanciful. I'm like, I want to say that. Anyway, these are so cute. I got a lot of energy today. I am on my second cup of joe for my daughter. She makes it so well, and she includes like a couple of little crispy bits of coffee grinds, so I think I've had an extra scoop or 2. So I'm being a little hyped today. All right, and in the second pack, let's see what this is. I picked up a variety pack. Now, some of these colors I did not have, and this also is HTV vinyl. And this is a really pretty, it's kind of a lavender, really pretty light. And these again are 8.5 by 11. We have silver, red, green. Oh, this is pretty pink. I love this blush pink. Gold. Can't do anything without gold in your stack. Black, blue, this beautiful teal, and white. Now that is a variety pack. I'll have this link down below as well. It kind of touches on all the bases of things that you need just for something like you want to do something quick. That's like a nice variety pack to have in your stash. I picked up this heat transfer vinyl. Let's see. Oh yeah, how about that? Oh yeah, this is so cute. Look at this iridescent, beautiful. Let me take off the little tape here so I can see it in full view. This is just masking tape, so it'll come right off. Look at that. Look at the bounce of color that is on here. And this is a full roll. How thick this roll is. That's a lot. That's a lot of HTV. What shall we do with this? I'm open for suggestions and ideas. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty. All right. Next, we have some adhesive vinyl. And adhesive vinyl, of course, is different from heat transfer vinyl because you can use it on other objects without, you can't heat it up. It doesn't heat. So you can use your machine on both of the heat transfer and adhesive. You can use your machine, but this will go on stuff like a photo frame or your card or, you know, card stock or a cup or something that you want to do it on. You can label your bins in your craft room. Things like that. Look at that. Pretty rose gold. Pretty, pretty, pretty. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I just unrolled the whole thing by accident. So that is adorable. Look how easy it is to peel off the backing sheet. So you know when you cut, it's going to be really easy to peel off. And it's a metallic, beautiful color. So really, really nice. Oh, here's the stat sheet for that. You design your pattern, your cut, and your weed. Apply medium transfer paper over the pattern. Scrap the front and back side, or scrape the front and back side with the scraper. Apply and peel off. Easy, easy peasy. So really, really nice metallic vinyl. And look how much you get. All of that. Nice. Next, I picked up some Sublimation HTV. And I don't think I've used this before. Now, I've seen plenty and plenty of videos on this. And you would use this on, let's just say you have a shirt that you want to sublimate on that you can't due to the fabric content. So you don't have to sublimate with at least 50% polyester. And let's just say you just have a cotton shirt that you want to sublimate on that you really, really want. You would use Sublimate Sublimation transfer vinyl first on your shirt. So whatever design, so if you're doing a heart, you cut this out and then heat press it to your shirt and then cut your design out on your sublimation paper and heat press it to this. That way it can go on the cotton shirt. So it's like a medium. It's a mediator between the two pieces so that they can speak and connect. So this is pretty awesome and you get quite a lot as well. So that'll be pretty cool. It's easy to cut with your electronic cutting machine. And last but not least, I grabbed some resin pigment. And I hadn't noticed that they had this on the site before. And I was like, okay, I didn't notice that, but okay, I love it. So maybe it's new. And you get some, I think these are gloves. They are. So you get 2 pair of gloves, which is pretty cool. I do use gloves sometimes when I'm using my resin because I can't get messy. And then this has some beautiful colors in it. So I'm going to do it this way. So we have some beautiful blues. I'm just going to show you these really quickly. Smooth these out the way. So, pretty blue, pretty, all these beautiful colors. Trying to get it where you guys can see. And then we'll just add to my hand here. Cute. We have some purples, and the top of the canisters have the color, you know, that you're going to use. That's pretty cool. Some pinks, some reds, some rust reds. We got orange, more orange, yellow, like of a brown. There's a darker brown, some more of navy blue, black, white, green. You have this like cherry wine. These two colors look alike, but that has more brown in it. And this pretty color blue here. It's a really pretty color. So that is all. You have a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 24. Oh, jeez. All right, so get that. Keep that all handy, all together, nice and neat. So these are all the items that I received for from Htvront to play with. Be sure to check out the links down below for everything that I mentioned here. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a quick project that I did using something from here. I don't know yet, but I want to make sure I stopped by and did this. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I have my designs already ready, and what I'm going to do, so from the Galaxy pack, I'm going to use these two sheets. They're so cute, and I've decided to do 2 shirts. For one for me and one for Kyla. You guys are gonna see I absolutely love this one. I had to purchase a little file from Etsy, like 70 something cents, and then I designed the rest of it using Creative Fabrica file. So excited. So this one is going to be Kyla's and this one's going to be mine. And then from the solid color pack that I just showed you guys, I will be using the green, the black, and the white. And then I had to scour my craft room for a purple because I needed a purple. And I have some previous Htvront vinyl that I received. And I'm going to grab a purple from out of here because I tried to talk her into using a gold or a silver, but she's like, no, I want it to be how the picture is. So I do have a wine. You know, that's as close as I can get to the purple, girl, because finding purple in the craft room right now is going to be an issue. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these things cut out, and I'll be back with either the design or the finished product. Okay, see you in a minute. Real quick, when I hung up from you guys, she was like, what about this one? So we'll do this one instead of the wine. It matches better anyway. Still from Htvront. That's all I got. Yeah, I do gotta I'll get one sheet of purple in the future just for little incidences like this, but that's it. All right, I have all of my pieces all cut out. Everything is ready to go. I can't wait for you guys to see what I have in my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it right now. Oh my gosh, this came out so cute! My daughter's actually right here. This is for her. What you think?
That's so cute!
What does it say?
No, it's cute. The chosen one.
Ah!
The cloud.
The cloud. This is so adorable.
That's one of our favorite characters off of Toy Story.
Yeah, the cloud. No, we
Story
say Toy Story. What do we say? We are. What is it called? We are eternally grateful.
What?
You
have saved our lives.
Yeah.
Eternally grateful.
Yeah. But this was so cute. So this is the SVG file that I bought. And I think it is so cute. And it plays on the galaxy chosen, you know, the galaxy and the alien, and this is so cute. You saw how smooth that vinyl came off in a peel. Boom and done. I did the pre-ironing, so this is really, really cute. So I am going to give this to my daughter. She wants it because she's been hovering over me and waiting for it, but I think that is so adorable. Now I'm going to work on mine. Oh my gosh, this started out so cute. This is so cute. This is too cute. So this is my Leo sign, the astrology sign for Leo, and this is actually from Creative Fabrica, and the font is actually from Creative Fabrica as well. This is Fabric Funky Grunge, and this is you just type in Leo. They have all the signs there. So I did the galaxy, and that it is gonna be so nice. It's a crop top. This is a Fenty sweatshirt, so it's a nice thick crop, and it is so cute. So that's what I did with the supplies, guys, from Htvront. This is so freaking adorable. Leo AF. And we have my daughter's, the little alien that she is, but she's also the chosen one. You have saved our lives.
We're entirely grateful.
So cute. All right, guys, I'll have links down below in the description box. Don't forget, this is the 2nd anniversary for Htvront. This theme is Fans Carnival, and you could save up to 50% on your purchases via the link down below. I'll get a couple pennies for the link, so I would appreciate it if you guys would click it. If you have a second, take a second and hit that like button. Let me know what you think about what I created and what ideas do you have for some of the things you saw today. All right, talk to you later. Bye.